And I can imagine that a lot of single mums as well will pick up the bottle to help self-medicate, you know? Those problems that you referred to don't have to be huge problems. They can be small things.
Yeah. Yeah,
Try to make sure the kids are alive and fed and dressed and
yeah.
all the
Just
rest.
just even exhaustion, like, I would drink because I was exhausted just to get
Yes.
me through being able to cook dinner and being able to, I work for myself, so I'm trying to support myself and the kids and, like, it sounds ludicrous now, but, like, I'd be exhausted, and what I really needed was a sleep, but I didn't have
Yeah,
that choice,
yeah,
I didn't have that choice, yeah, I would drink to get myself through that, and then the cycle just continues because you're exhausted from drinking, your body's not functioning, all of those things just compiling into, the problem. So, yeah, it was really hard, and I think as women, as mothers,
yes,
it's you feel very guilty for taking the time to leave your children and family to focus on your health. I had so much guilt and I tried for so long to do it without it so I didn't have to put anyone out. But in the end, I was like, well, I'm sorry, I need to take this time for me.
yes,
And it was the hardest thing I ever did.
yep,
But I knew there was just this voice inside me said, you'll thank yourself. Just do it. And guess what? Everyone survived. Everyone was fine, the kids now are happy and healthy. They can rely on their mum, they've got me back. I had my sister say to me yesterday, "It's just so nice to have my sister back because you're
yes.
you're a totally different person," you know?
So beautiful. And do your kids have the emotional intelligence to see that as well?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, they definitely do. And I was completely honest with them.
Yep.
I just said, Mum's got a problem.
Right.
Addiction is something that needs to be handled properly, and I need help. Like I can't, I don't want to go on like this anymore. So, and that's a real driving force. I did it for me, but I also did it for my family as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. I think it's got to be twofold. It's like you need to be ready for it to
yeah,
surrender to the fact that
you
you
do.
need help and put your hand up. And then also there's a why there as well. Like on those difficult days, like, why am I doing this? It would be really fun to keep partying, but
Yeah.
we quickly forget about all the bad times. And, our kids deserve better than that, really. They
Yeah,
deserve the best version of us. That's kind of one of the ways that I look at it. Like, my children deserve the best version of me.
they do, and it's not their fault. They didn't ask to be born, We
Yeah.
have this obligation to them to be, like you're saying, the best version of yourself, and if taking some time out to make yourself the best version of yourself is what you need, just
Yeah.
do it. Just
Yeah.
or my best advice is do it for yourself, like, just do it. You deserve it as well, like, you deserve to be happy, and you can be happy.
You've got daughters, don't you?
Yes.
They're like, they're seeing this role model, their mum, their beautiful, strong mum
Yeah.
being brave and being strong and working towards recovery. I mean, what greater role model than that in life?
Oh, 100%.